Welcome to day 4. A nerve can't heal if it's being starved. Neuropathy damages the tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to your nerves. Our mission today is to open those floodgates. The key is a miracle molecule your body produces called nitric oxide. It tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. You can naturally boost it today by eating foods like spinach, arugula, and beets. But I want to give you another powerful tool you can use immediately. Contrast soaks. All you need are 2 buckets. Fill one with comfortably hot water and one with cold water. Immerse your feet in the hot for 3 minutes, then immediately into the cold for 1 minute. Repeat this 4 to 5 times. This acts as a manual pump, forcing fresh, oxygen-rich blood into your feet and flushing out the waste. You will feel the difference instantly. You now have the keys to stop inflammation, wake up your nerves, and improve blood flow. But what's the single most important factor that ties it all together and determines whether you succeed or fail? We'll cover that in our final and most important lesson tomorrow.